divide 959 by 7 in a long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 5 and it is 25. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting, we get 4. So again, this 4 is less than 7. So we put down this 9 and it is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. On subtracting, we get 0. So 959 divided by 7 is 137. So this much for today and thanks for watching.